Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. It's Suzuki Caloocan.ph under the management of Dane Lane Auto Vlogs. And today, kwento ko lang sa inyo guys, paano at bakit nga ba ako napunta sa Suzuki Caloocan? Well, in fact, I was from Cavite. Since 2014, guys, tapos na yung trabaho ko. Last July, nag-apply ako dito sa Suzuki Caloocan for sales admin. But unfortunately, wala daw position available and I was in charge to a sales supervisor na napaka-sexy si Ma'am Ethel Susie, and she enticed me na sabi niya kapag nakabenta daw ako, kikita daw ako ng gantong komisyon or malaki daw yung kita ko. So, I tried. So, guys, 2 months of training, grabe, so struggling, and it was new to me, kaya naman nahirapan ako, and sabi ko sa sarili ko, wala pa rin akong benta. And pag umabot pa ng 3rd month na wala akong benta, magre-resign na ako because I believe sales is not for me. And then, guys, after ng training, on my 3rd month, grabe, it was a surprise na nakapag-release ako ng isang unit. And guys, mind you, guess what? Kumita ako doon ng almost 40,000 pesos sa isang sasakyan lang. So, feeling ko guys, yung 2 months na training ko, pagtitipid at pagtitiis ko during that time is na-compensate naman. So, tuwang-tuwa ako, and yun guys, parang nakaka-addict yung pagbebenta. That's why umabot na ako ng 2023. Imagine, 9 years na pala ako sa Suzuki Auto Caloocan. And guys, hindi lang yun, ang ganda ng management, ng system, and of course, ang laki ng kita. Plus, ang dami pang promotion and travel incentives na napuntahan ko dahil kay Suzuki.